Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to stop people from sending you direct messages on X, also known as Twitter. If you value privacy or want to control who can message you, this quick guide will show you every step to lock down your DMs easily. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone, give it a second to load, and make sure you're signed in to your account. This process works the same way whether you're using iPhone or Android, so you can follow along no matter what device you have. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. A side menu will slide out. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. This will expand a few more options underneath. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account controls are located, including privacy, security, and messaging preferences. When you're inside this section, look for Privacy and Safety and tap on it to continue. Inside Privacy and Safety, select Direct Messages. This is where you can manage who is allowed to message you on X. You might see several options here, one that lets everyone message you, one that lets only people you follow send DMs, and one that stops messages altogether. To completely block all messages from anyone, tap on No One. Once selected, people will no longer be able to send you new direct messages. This setting instantly applies to your account, so you don't have to save or confirm anything. From now on, only existing chat threads will remain visible, but no new messages will come through unless you switch the setting back later. And that's it. You've successfully turned off DMs on X. Whether you want a break from spam, unwanted messages, or you just prefer to keep your interactions public, this is the perfect way to take control of your inbox. If you found this guide helpful, remember to check out more quick tutorials like this to get the most out of your social media settings.